the previous video, we have seen what is a matrix, what is an order of a matrix, and how we denote a matrix. Okay, now let us see how many types of matrices are there. How many different types of matrices are there? So let us write types of matrices and let us understand each type one by one. So I will give you the definitions also for types of matrices. So first we will write row matrix. Row matrix. So what is a row matrix? A matrix having only one row. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Is called a row matrix. Matrix which has only one row. Number of columns can be any number. Okay, so a matrix which has only one row is called a row matrix, or it is also called a row vector. Okay, for example, so what are the examples of row matrix? You can see, for example, this matrix. Okay, it is a one by one matrix. It has one row and one column only. Okay, or you can have a matrix like this, say 2 7. Okay, here also you can see this matrix has only one row, two columns. Or you can have a matrix 1 -1 0 0. Okay, now this matrix is having one row and four columns, but it is also a row matrix. So all these are row matrices. Number of columns can be any number, but there should be only one row. So such matrix is called a row matrix. So what is an order of a row matrix? A row matrix has order. A row matrix has order 1 by n. One row and any number of columns. So n. Now let us see second type of matrix. As you know, we have written row matrix. So second type of matrix will be a column matrix. So let us see the definition of a column matrix. So as we have written the definition of a row matrix, it is similar to that definition only. A matrix having only one column. A matrix which is having only one column is called a column matrix. Is called a column matrix. So you must have understood by now that the number of rows can be any number, but there should be only one column in the matrix. So such type of matrix is called column matrix, or you can also say it as a column vector. Okay. For example, so let us see, or let us understand column matrix through example. So again, if I have only one number inside a bracket, inside two brackets, so say I have 3. Okay, so this is also a column matrix because it has only one column. It is one by one matrix, but as it has only one column, so this serves as an example for row matrix also and column matrix also. Then you can have a matrix like this, -2 2. Okay, here you can observe that there are two rows but only one column, single column. So it is a column matrix of order 2 cross 1, 2 by 1, 2 rows and one column. Then we can have a matrix of the type say -4 8 1. Okay, how many rows? 3 rows are there and one column is there. So this is a matrix 3 cross 1. So in each matrix matrices you can see that you have single column, one column. Okay, so such matrices are column matrices. What can you say about the order of a column matrix? A column matrix has order 2 cross n. I'm so sorry. A column matrix has order m cross 1. Okay, there can be any number of rows but only one column. So a column matrix has order m cross n. Okay, let us see one more type of matrix. Then the remaining type of matrices we will see in the next video. So the next type of matrix is square matrix. Square matrix. So what is a square matrix? So a matrix of order m by n, a matrix of order m by n is called a square matrix, is called a square matrix. A matrix of order m by n is called a square matrix if m is equal to n. So what is the meaning of m is equal to n? That is the number of rows in the matrix. The number of rows must be equal to the number of columns in the matrix, is equal to number of columns. So if in a matrix number of rows and number of columns are same, such matrix is called a square matrix. Okay, it look like a square shape. So for example, what are the examples of square matrix? For example, you have a 1 by 1 matrix, say 11. Okay, only one row, one column. So it is a square matrix. Number of rows and number of columns are same, 1 1. Then a matrix of this type, say 4 3 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, it has how many rows? There are 2 rows, 2 columns. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. Number of rows and number of columns are same. So this is also a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Then you can have a matrix of order 2 by 3. Let me write a matrix in element notation: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, this is a matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Number of rows, number of columns are same. So this is also example of a square matrix. So all are square matrices. They are examples of square matrix. And what can you say about square matrices of order? What are the orders of these matrices of orders? First matrix is of order 1 by 1. Second matrix is of order 2 by 2. And the third matrix is of order 3 by 3 respectively. So hence, what can we say about the order of a square matrix? A square matrix has order, a square matrix has order n by n. Okay, number of rows and number of columns are same, so we call the order of square matrix as n cross n or n by n.